it seems that it was conditional, no, Mr. Chair. Just for a confirmation lang po and for clarification, Mr. President.
Hindi, kasi ang problema sa joint account kasi yan. So I had it back of my mind about my wife.
Okay, I understand that, Mr. Chairman, Mr. President.
I'm sure you have a wife and you have bank accounts.
Yes, I have a lovely wife, yes, Mr.
Solo
President.
dito na may bank account tayo. It's always, pagka may asawa ka, joint talaga yan. That is the Filipino way of doing it.
Thank you, Mr. President,
Thank you.
for your straightforward answers.
Thank you, Congressman
Mr. Chairman.
Adjong.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, former Senator Gonzales.
Well, just for the record, joint account between Duterte and Vice President Sara Duterte. So sila not the wife. Yun po ang dun sa nakuha natin. And just like what I anticipated earlier, Mr. Chairman, na yung pagsasabi niya na he's willing to sign a waiver, it's the same thing. It's always a bluff. Ngayon, yung sasabihin niya, sasampalin daw ako, pipirma siya ng waiver, sige po, pwede, papayag ako, sampalin niyo ako, pero pirma muna kayo sa waiver. Hindi pa
Mr.
rin.
Chair,
So, it's a
Mr. Chair, the point of order, just to maintain decorum in this proceeding, and just to be fair, may we request the former senator not to provoke any resource persons because that won't do any good to anyone.
I apologize,
Please,
Mr.
thank you
Chairman.
very much, Mr. Chair.
Naaral din po ba kung posible na meron ding ibang sources yung pumasok na mga pera na yon maliban sa drug money? Kasi gusto natin ma-verify po talaga if ever nga, halimbawa, matris po na may ibang mga income sources, legitimate man or illegitimate o kung ano man, maliban sa drug money. Naaral din po ba yung ganong possibility?
Noong una, yun po ang kinoconsider namin, no? Kaso nga, based dun sa testimonya ni Arturo Las Cañas na sinabmit sa ICC, itong si Sammy Uy at si Michael Yang, sila po yung kumaga mag-partner, ano? Siya yung parang nagpa-front. Tapos tinignan namin yung mga negosyo nito ni Sammy Uy. Hindi siya pwedeng mag-yield ng ganong dividendo na 40 to 50 million every 6 months na dinidistribute. Yung pa lang yung nakita natin doon sa paper trail. Tapos doon sa sinabi niya na ilang instances doon mismo sa isang Shabu laboratory, doon sa involvement nito ni Sammy Uy, lumiwanag po sa amin na drug-related yung mga pumasok na pera dito kay Mr. Duterte. Kaya nga pinoproteksyonan niya ng todo, nakita nyo, di ba? Ayaw pumirma ng waiver kahit ito na, sasabihin niya, babawiin niya because ando doon lahat ng sikreto. And sabi ko nga,